So if you want to have a simple way to store hamburger so that it makes it easier to separate once it's frozen, lay out a sheet of plastic wrap on the counter, set down one, flip it over, make a layer again, then take this over, peel it open, set a third one in, and finally the last one. Then just go ahead and put them in a ziploc bag. Depending on the size of the hamburgers you like, you may need to use a quart size instead of a sandwich size bag. But slide it in, zip it up, and throw it in the freezer. Then we'll show you what it's like when you take it back out again when you want to eat them. Okay, so this is the second half of this. After the meat's frozen, you can go ahead and take it back out of the bag. These are a little tougher to get out of here than they were to put in because the meat is frozen now. Oh, came right out. So then you got the plastic in between each of the pieces of meat, and it's a simple way to get them apart is just to take a butter knife, one that's not very sharp, and just fall right apart. Do the same thing for the next one. And then between the last two, if you put them in fours. So the plastic comes right off, and then you can put them right on the grill to go ahead and cook them or however you want to do it. Very simple way to keep it easy so that you don't have the meat stuck together after it's been frozen.